Hi everybody, it's your boy Brandon with my nephew
Sydney.
We got Grandpa Nigro behind the camera.
Woohoo! I'm here.
We are going to do some extreme food tasting today.
Yeah. And
Extreme, right?
yeah.
What are we going to start with?
Mustard chips.
These are a new regional fave. They're Weber's mustard chips. And Weber mustard is a popular type of mustard in the area. And now we got potato chips to go along with this. So this sounds weird, mustard potato chips. It's extreme, but I think we can be more extreme. Let's see, we're gonna try this and then maybe we'll do something even more extreme.
Yeah.
All right, so the first taste of Weber's mustard potato chips.
That tastes weird.
That's interesting.
That's actually good.
It's not like a super intense taste mustard, it's like just enough mustard.
Yeah.
I would say, taste-wise, I'm gonna give it a 7.
I'm gonna give it. Yeah, I'll give it a 7.
Extreme-wise, I'm gonna give it a 5. I don't think it's that extreme, it's just a decent potato chip. Now, the question for you guys at home is, what kind of dip would you put mustard potato chips in? What do you think?
Probably more mustard.
More mustard? Okay. Or maybe like, I wonder if you can make a hot dog dip and dip it in there and have mustard
Onion
hot
dip?
dog. Onion dip? French onion dip? Maybe. We'll try it out. Okay.
Yeah.
This wasn't too extreme. We gotta let the man behind the camera also taste it. Go ahead, give it a taste.
Ooh, let me take a taste.
Let's see what Grandpa thinks about it.
I love it. It really tastes good.
I
Okay.
kind of want to give
You know,
it a chip.
this on a bologna sandwich or with a hot dog.
That would be
perfect.
it on a bologna sandwich.
Oh my gosh.
All right, palate cleanse. You gonna do a palate cleanse? Take a little sip.
Yeah.
Ooh,
All right, a little palate. Because this next one is extreme. You ready?
Yeah.
Have you ever experienced stinky cheese before?
No.
This is limburger cheese. You ready? I'm gonna give you one. You're gonna take a smell.
Oh!
Doesn't it smell like stinky feet?
I have no clue.
Okay, you gotta take a bite of the cheese. We gotta eat the cheese first. Ready?
That doesn't taste bad.
It doesn't taste bad, but it smells awful. So what I did was,
Oh no! That's bad.
okay, he's gone. I'm gonna try it on a sandwich first. This is limburger and onions, a classic. I'm told a classic. I don't know. You know, the onions kind of help with the overall sense appeal. All right, you gonna try this?
Oh.
You're gonna try this. Take a bite. That's just bread. That's just bread. Take a big bite. All right, what do you think? He's gone. So I'm gonna do the last taste test. I'm gonna put a mustard potato chip on my limburger sandwich and see if that can save the whole limburger experience.
You are crazy.
The potato chips help. The onions do most of the work here. This is, I don't know, is there anybody out there who really likes limburger cheese? You're gonna have to let us know in the comment section. Who are our limburger fans out there? And tell us what we need to do to make this more enjoyable experience. Because this stuff smells.
Yeah.
You ever gonna eat limburger again?
No.
Should we offer it to the rest of the family when we see them?
Yeah.
Should we tell them it's delicious and see how they react? All right, good job. Good job, Sid.
Well, tell them to smell it.
No, we won't tell them. We won't tell them until it's too late and they realize it smells. Good idea. All right, thanks everybody.
Yeah, thank you.